Hey fourth graders, today we're going to work on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So we have been doing 2-digit by 1-digit, and it's pretty straightforward where you multiply starting from the ones place and then multiply it in tens place. But now we have a 2-digit multiply a 2-digit. There's an extra step in there. Not only do we need to multiply, but we also need to add the two answers together. So I'm going to try to use two colored pens today just to kind of show you what to do when you're multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit. Remember, when you're multiplying, you always start in the ones place. So I'm just going to use red. I'm going to underline the 6. That's in the ones place. If you want, you can take a finger and cover up the 4 in the 46. And I want you to remember last week we multiplied in the ones place, then we multiplied across into the tens place. Leave the 4 alone for now, okay? So let's just solve the 6 and the 44 here, okay? So 6 times 4 is 24, right? You regroup, so you bring the 2 up here and the 4 below. And then you can do 6 times 4, which is also 24, but you're going to add the 2. So 24 plus 2, 24, 25, 26. And there's no other numbers here, so you're going to write 26 below. Great, you solved the first part, which was starting from the ones place, multiply 4, ones place, multiply the 4 in the tens place. Now, using your finger, you can cover up the 6. The 6 is in the ones place, so now we're starting from the tens place down here. Because we already multiplied the 6, underneath the 4, we're going to put a 0. I'm really going to just focus on this 4 today. You're going to multiply across. 4 times 4 is 16. Put the 1 right here, 6 down here. And you see how they're lined up? Make sure your numbers are lined up as well. Then you're going to multiply this way. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1, 17. And now you have two numbers. What you need to do is you're going to add them to get your final answer. So adding, just like normal when you add multi-digit numbers, you start from the ones place. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. Regroup. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. Regroup again. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3. Your answer is 2024. All right, let's do one more together. Again, I'm going to use red first. I'm going to really focus on this ones place, starting with the 9. Remember, we're going to multiply up to the ones place, then we're going to multiply across to the tens place. So let's start here. 9 times 2 equals 18. Carry the 1 over, bring the 8 down below in the ones place. 9 times 7 is, did you figure it out? 63. 63 plus 1 more is 64. Since there's no numbers here, we're going to put 64 together down below. Great. Now we're ready to solve in the tens place. Remember, we're starting one place value over, so we need to put that 0 in that ones place for the second row of answers. Then we're ready to multiply across. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. Do you remember what's the next step? we need to add them. Ready? 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. My answer is 1,368. Let's do one more together, and then you can practice on the Google form with a scratch piece of paper. If you want, you can grab, a pen and a pencil, or two pens that are different colors. And if this might help you, you can color code. All right, so the next one, do you guys remember which place value we start off from? From the 1. So we're gonna start from the 9. I'm gonna go up. Okay, 9 times 8 equals, it's a big number. What is 9 times 8? 72. Carry over the 7, 2 goes down here. Then you're going to multiply across. You're going to multiply 9 times 4. Did you figure that out? What is 9 times 4? Did you get 36? 36 plus 7 more. What is 36 plus 7? If you want, you can write it here. 36 plus 7. Solve on your own. It should be 43. Great. Now we're ready to work on the 4 in the tens place. Because we did move a place value over, what do we put here? A 0. Then we're ready to multiply across. 4 times 8 is 32, so put a 3 here. The 2 goes down here. Then let's go this way. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Do you remember what we do with these two numbers? We're going to add them. Ready? 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. So bring that 1. We're going to regroup. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. My answer is 2,352. Okay, go get a scratch piece of paper, 2 pens or pencils, and I want you to solve the problems on the Google form.